How's it going, MOPAR family? I hope everybody out there is having a fantastic time. So, as most of you guys know, and or if you're tuning in for the first time, we are adding forced air to my truck, a 2011 Ram RT with the 5.7 liter Hemi. And we're going to use a TorqueStorm supercharger to do it. So for those that have not heard of TorqueStorm superchargers, their website link is in the description of this video, so please go check them out. They have lots and lots of information on their website. And they also make many superchargers for other makes and models like Ford, GM, MOPAR stuff, AMC stuff, LS engine stuff. They have lots and lots of superchargers out there, and they've been doing this for a very long time. These are quality made superchargers made right here in the USA, and they're made out of a billet material also. So the kit that we're going to install on the truck is the 4th gen Ram truck kit, and this kit includes the supercharger, the bracket, the pulleys, the hardware, the blow-off valve, and the instructions. You would be responsible for the fuel component upgrades if necessary, and or the intercooler components if you choose to run an intercooler. Again, this is a tuner kit, and they retail at $32.50, which is an absolute bargain to get into the forced air game. As many of you know, majority of forced air options out there is going to start and run you between $6,000 to $10,000 to get a forced air setup. So if you have been looking for a budget supercharger kit for your Challenger, your Charger, your Ram truck, or whatever it is, definitely check them out. Go to their website, look into it. They have lots and lots of stuff out there to offer. And again, stay tuned. We're going to have a detailed video series on the full installation of this TorqueStorm supercharger kit on my truck. We're going to have a detailed parts list of everything I use to get this thing completely done. And we're going to install it right here on the channel. I'm going to do it myself. And I'm going to show you how easy this kit is to install in your driveway. It's going to be super fun, and is definitely going to answer a lot of questions out there about these superchargers. I am pretty sure we're going to be well under $5,000 when this is all said and done, which again is an absolute steal for forced air compared to other options that's going to run you between $6,000 to $10,000. So definitely stay tuned. The next videos to come is going to be an unboxing of everything that comes in the kit. So definitely hit that subscribe button, tap that bell button for the notifications so you don't miss anything in the future. And as always, stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.